Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines.
PM Imran to chair PTI allied parties meeting today. Prime Minister Imran Khan to chair a joint parliamentary party meeting of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and its allied parties today. Difference between PTI GDA over Pir Sadruddin Shah Rashdi's defeat. Difference between Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and one of its coalition partners, the Grand Democratic Alliance, emerged as the GDA leaders revealed that PTI lawmakers did not vote for Pir Sadruddin Shah Rashdi in recent held Senate election. Daniel Pearl case. SC fixes hearing of appeals challenging acquittal of murder accused. The Supreme Court has fixed the hearing of appeals against the acquittal of the accused Ahmad Umar Saeed Sheikh in Daniel Pearl murder case. PTI challenges ECP's NA 75 Daska repolling decision in SC. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has challenged the Election Commission of Pakistan decision of repolling at all polling stations in the NA 75 Daska in Supreme Court. Yusuf Raza Gilani's victory as senator challenged in ECP. Plea challenging former Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani's victory as a senator has been fixed with the Election Commission of Pakistan. 10 coronavirus cases detected in 2 colleges of Islamabad. The health officers recommended to seal 2 educational institutions in Islamabad immediately after the detection of 10 new cases of coronavirus among students and teachers. Karachi experienced hot weather as mercury soars to 36 degrees Celsius. People in Karachi experiencing hot weather as mercury has soared to 36 degrees Celsius in the port, said the PMD on Friday.
This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care of yourself and others. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.